Hi Bio4 and welcome to week 3. So I'm looking at the schedule here, and on this week we're going to be starting joints. We're talking about articulations. We're talking about the way one bone joins with another bone and how those can differ dramatically depending on what part of the body you're talking about. So after that, I want to give you the big picture. After the following week, we already have an exam. So the exam is on chapters 1, 6, and 9, and that's going to be online. I had wanted the exams not to be online, but that's not a possibility right now with Omicron. So we're going to continue to do them online. So just a reminder to all of you that this creeps up fast, right? So we have 2 more weeks, 1 full week, and then an exam on that Monday. So just stick to it. You know, I'm loving your drawings. I think you're doing a really good job. You just have to stay on top of the material because, as I've told you, it's not particularly hard. It's just time consuming, as you've probably noticed. So in general, I think you're doing really well. I mean, it takes time to do those drawings. Now you're starting to draw bones. But that's what anatomy is. I'm sure you've heard from other students. It's a lot of work. And so I'm just there to egg you on. And so is Deanna. She's having her sessions and she's there to help. And she's doing bones, and at my next office hour, I'm going to go over bones again because I think that's helpful, and some more of you are joining. So that's good. I'd love you to join me. Let's stop it there. Other than that, I have some announcements that I wrote down for you. I'm sure you've read already. And we move on. Just hang in there. I know that it's a challenge, and that's good. It's a good challenge. It's a challenge that you can overcome. You can do this. And so yes, a lot of material. So hang in there, stick with me, and we're going to make this work. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.